What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Tuesday. Good afternoon and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking time out to consume the content, so thank you. Apologies, no video this morning. I was in a rush and had to get to college, and college is a little bit important to me at the moment, so don't want to be late. So thank you for forgiving that. This morning, I'm still in the morning, this afternoon, we're talking about the Cardano partnerships. Namely, we're going to talk about the Chainlink partnership, because I don't know too much about the other partnerships. But Cardano, over the weekend, they had a summit. Days ago now, started and it's ended over the weekend. They had a summit. They had loads of partnerships and loads of information shared. So over the next few weeks, all that will be dripping out and there'll be progression on top of it and building, and everyone's going to end up happy. But there's always going to be a few that are moaning. You're going to have some people who like Link, who are going to be moaning that they've had to partner with Cardano. People who like Cardano moaning that they've partnered with Link. And I need everyone to just sit back and remember what we always said about the Internet of Value. Right? The Internet of Value is not just one ledger. It's not just one bridge currency. It's all the fucking currencies, all the bridges, all the assets, and all the value. Yeah? And that is then intertwined with all the Internet of data, the Internet of goods, the Internet of information, the Internet of everything. Everything. Right? So you've got one of two choices. You either don't partner with every single blockchain and you use their APIs so your blockchain can talk to theirs over the Internet of Value, or you partner with them in some way, shape or form. Now, your developers taking an API and building with it, on top of it, next to it, using it, whatever, is a great way of doing things. It works. But don't start telling me that it's better than a full-on partnership where they work together. Yeah? Working together. There's a big difference between two things that will not go together and two things that have been built to interoperate. There's a massive, massive difference. So, Cardano has announced a strategic partnership with Chainlink to provide Oracle integration for smart contract developers. Straight away off that paragraph, you're now thinking, okay, they're not just using an API, they're partnering to boost the potential for smart contracts within the developer community. It's a no-brainer. So anyone upset with this, you're just a dick who doesn't really understand what people are trying to build when they say the Internet of Value. From Ripple to Charles, Ada, anyone who says it, you're missing the point if you're not happy with this. InputOutput, IOKH, the technology company behind Cardano open source blockchain project, announced in the ongoing Cardano Summit 2021 that it has partnered with decentralized blockchain Oracle network Chainlink. Tremendous respect for Cardano. As per the announcement, hyperlinked in the links below in the description, the partnership will see Cardano integrate Chainlink's oracles to support developers as they prepare to start building smart contracts for decentralized finance, DeFi applications. Recall that Cardano became compatible with smart contracts for the first time after the Alonzo network upgrade, which went live on September the 12th. Commenting on the partnerships, Nika, oh, here's a name, damn! Nika Ariashinga. One of them, sorry for butchering it, I do try with names because they fascinate me and I love them. I've never taken the piss. Nikki Ariashinga. Anyway, she's the head of blockchain partnerships at Chainlink's Labs. Noted that the Oracle network has a tremendous amount of respect for the Cardano ecosystem, especially the technical team behind the project, the collaborative nature of the community. So if Nika, the head of blockchain partnerships, has huge respect for Cardano, has clearly had an impact in this partnership. Any Chainlink maxer, you might want to say, again, if you're against it, you're against your own partner, your own head of partnership. So maybe like step back, wind your neck in a little bit, and look from a new perspective, eh? It's perfect timing. Ariashinga believes the timing is perfect for the collaboration, considering smart contracts are only just coming to Cardano, while Chainlink helps facilitate the transfer of tamper-proof data from off-chain sources to on-chain smart contracts. So in quote, so what of this comes down to timing. Cardano obviously has had an extended period where it had different drops of upgrades, and the most recent is Alonzo. Really about enabling smart contracts. So for us, this is really like the right time to engage with Cardano ecosystem. He added that the integration could enable hundreds of billions of dollars of value locked to be secured on the Cardano protocol, especially in the DeFi sector. And as said earlier in the video, Cardano actually unveiled multiple partnerships during the summit. On day one of the ongoing summit, it ushered in several announcements and strategic partnerships between Cardano and other entities. As reported, hyperlink down in the link, as reported earlier, Charles Hoskinson announced that the project has teamed up with Dish's telecom services in an effort to boost adoption for the blockchain while transforming the entire model of the telecom industry. Excuse me. The project also revealed that global land restoration and tree planting verification company Veritree will now secure its records using Cardano's blockchain following a strategic partnership. Others on Cardano's list of partnerships announcements include leading esports and gaming platform Rival, a fintech venture studio, and Fund UBX, a finance identity-based solution. Very, very interesting, and it has been reported on multiple sites. So, I mean, big news, big news. All the news. Where's that one gone from this morning? You lying bastard. Sometimes I lose the stories, man. Gary Gensler says unregulated crypto markets will not end well. Your life won't end well, mate, and that's not a threat. That's just that highlighting that you're gonna die hated. No one really wants that, mate. Your family might love you, but no one else does. Sort your neck out. Stop being a cunt. That one's actually disappeared now, the piece of shit. This is where Cardano will start to surprise people, because all the little muppets in the space, you don't really know what the fuck's going on, right? And have been, oh, well, what the fuck's Cardano doing? Not even got smart contracts yet, you fucking dickhead. I mean, I'd like to do something with that kind of people, but I'm not allowed to say it anymore. In the 90s, we might have got away with being honest about what we'd like to do to them people, but no more. We just need to shut our mouths. But you kind of know what I mean, don't you? Psh, night. Let's go. Stop wasting me oxygen, mate. Yeah. So Cardano announces partnerships with Chainlink and Dish Network. I'm interested in the sporting stuff for really, because that will give blockchain a kick. It really does need. So Cardano partners with Chainlink to integrate oracles for smart contracts. So the oracles and the smart contracts, if you want to know more information about that, I suggest you go to Google. It's your best friend. I ain't here to teach you every single aspect of blockchain, because I'm not a computer scientist and I actually don't understand every single aspect of blockchain. I'm happy with what I do understand. If you want to know more than what I'm giving you, Google's your best friend, mate. The Cardano team has just published a blog post. Blah, 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 blah. The new blog post announced the Cardano team up with Chainlink. We've read that. Chainlink to power Cardano smart contracts. The integration of these oracles in the Cardano DLT will allow dev teams to supply institutional grade data provided by Chainlink to their smart contracts. The oracles will support prediction apps that deal with sports data, weather data, necessary for parametric insurance apps. That's fucking interesting. They will be applied in the sphere of gaming and digital collectibles like NFTs via multiple partnerships. Charles stated that Chainlink oracles are necessary for advanced smart contracts, and they will provide real-world data to the Cardano blockchain. He emphasized that Cardano intends to provide the developers with the best tools for creating solutions that will be of actual use. Again, super excited. I've always been devastated that I didn't get in Chainlink early enough. I mean, I didn't get in Chainlink early enough. I sold me quant. Let's just hindsight, dickhead. But I've got some ADA, and Chainlink's partner with ADA now. Hopefully, it gives them a little boost. And yeah, it's exciting times. And anyone who's trying to say that that's bad, then they're just a knobhead. They're just a knobhead who's out to do nothing but better themselves and get money for themselves. This is not what this is about. This is about making the world a better place. And if you don't like to hear that, I suggest you just fuck off. I won't miss you. Sadly, I just won't. Anyone who wants to help change the world, better humanity, progress, actually build an internet of value, is all for partnerships. Ain't no one want to be a maxer, and if you are, again, you don't understand the space. You just don't. There's people, I'm not on Twitter or Instagram for fucking months because I can't be arsed with the maxi mentality. Oh, fucking that love for crypto is just an XRP maxer. No, I'm not. I'm an internet of value maxer. Internet of value, which means I will support any asset that I believe has a function and facility within the internet of value, and that includes Bitcoin as digital diamonds. It just does. The digital bragging rights. I've got a full Bitcoin. Ain't many people gonna say that in 2030. I tell you now, there are not many people come 2030 that can sit back and be like, I've got a full Bitcoin. And there'll never be more than 20 million people that say it. 21 million if you want to be precise, but I think we can agree that a few million tokens are lost for decades. So it's interesting. Partnerships are a good thing. We support them, we celebrate them. If you don't, fuck off, because I don't want to hear it. Yeah. And on that note, you know the dance. Better yourself and help better the world. Yeah. Invest in yourself. Invest in the internet of value, which is going to change the world and better the world. We as the people have an obligation to push it the right moral way and not let the people at the top control it. Yeah? So invest in yourself. Live long and orderly all, and try to never let it go. Get it staked, get it baked, live off the rewards, pass on your generational wealth. It's the way. Yeah, so we love crypto, we love Cardano and Link, and we love you. So take care of yourselves, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.